welcome to this video, how to use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. So Uber credits, or also known as Uber Cash, can be used in the Uber app. You can use it for getting rides, or you can use it for food delivery on Uber Eats, as this article says. So we don't want to use it for a ride, but we want to rather exchange those Uber credits for food. So basically, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see here's the option for Uber Eats. So to use Uber Cash for Uber Eats, just place your order like you would normally place your order. And you have to do this within the Uber app, okay? And during the checkout process, make sure that the button beside Uber credits is toggled to the left and showing up green. So basically it says deliver now, schedule your delivery. Okay, here's the payment. You need to see here's the Uber balance, Uber Cash, $94. And you need to toggle that to the right hand side so it is in fact green. And then it'll give you your summary, and then you can pay for that order. If you have enough Uber Cash, you can pay for your order with the Uber Cash, and then you'll be able to get that delivered. So make sure to do those steps and use Uber Cash on Uber Eats. If this helped you out, drop a like onto it, and I'll see you in the next one.